Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm in Las Cruces, Zone AB, and today I'm going to be pruning this peach tree. I'm also going to be treating the tree with Captain Jack's Neem Max. And I mixed 2 tablespoons of the Captain Jack's with 16 ounces of water in this bottle. You need to follow the instructions as per the label. I'm using these bypass loopers and these bypass pruners. Now always disinfect your pruners. Right here I have rubbing alcohol and just spray them. And this one too. I'm also gonna fertilize her fruit trees with Dr. Earth fruit fertilizer. So this is a peach tree. The goal for the pruning is to have more sun, fewer bugs, and lots of peaches. And you want to prune it in a vase shape. Do this in late February or March before the leaves fully pop. Clear the middle, cut out the branches going towards the center. It should look like an open bowl or vase. Do the 3Ds. Snip off anything dead, damaged, or deceased. Step 2. Spraying Captain Jack's. Use this to stop the worms and borers that ruin the fruit. Wait for the drop. Never spray while the pink flowers are open. Wait until the petals fall off. Only spray in the early morning or evening when it's under 80 and the wind is still. Keep the dogs inside until the spray is 100% dry on the leaves. Okay, so I'm gonna come in here, and if you see how this one, it goes out too much, the bottom one, I'm gonna come in and cut here, cut this one, and then I'm gonna cut these right here, all the ones that are popping up, the little growths. And let's see which one. This one right here is going straight up. I'm gonna cut it to open up the middle to get more light in. And this one. Cut that one. Oh, and this one, this little one right here. It's going, the ones that are going straight up, they're not going to produce fruit. You're going to want to cut them. And this one, this going inside this little branch, it's going to cut. So basically, yeah, that's what we're going to do. And anything that's rubbing or deceased or broken, yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and cut. And things like this, they're going straight up. Cut them. And see, like these ones right here, all these are gonna have to be cut because they're going straight up, and you don't want that because they could be rubbing, and you want all this open so it doesn't harbor diseases. Okay, so I decided that I'm not going to cut this one that I was going to cut. I think I'm going to cut this one and these ones on the bottom over here because it's a really good big branch. So I'm just going to cut this one, some of the tips that are going into the wall, and these at the bottom. And then all of those clean it up, the ones coming up. These. And this one. This one right here. Okay, so I finished pruning it, and this is how it looks. Looks much better. You want to spray under the leaves all over, and the base, the trunk, and just make sure it's not windy and that your dogs are not around. Fertilize. This is about how much I'm going to put in the cup. Okay. So this is her plum tree. She hired a landscaping company to come, and they did her landscaping, and they put in the fruit trees. So this one is the same age as the peach tree, but plum trees are slow to grow, so it's really tiny compared to the peach tree. So I'm not gonna spray it because the leaves still haven't fallen off, the flowers, I mean. And so what I'm gonna be cutting is I'm gonna be cutting like these in the middle, the ones that are going straight up, these ones right here. These two, to open it up a little bit, and then this one, this is rubbing with this one right here. I want to cut this, and then cut all the growth coming from the bottom. I think that's what about. Well, once I open it up, I can see more how it looks. Okay, let's prune because the sun is setting. That's good. There's plenty of airflow, circulation. Light can get in. I took the dead out, the crashing branches, all the ones that were straight up. Oh, there's one here. It's got already little, you see? It's got little stuff in there already. I can't treat it yet. I have to wait till the flowers fall off. So, yeah. Okay, now fertilize. thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you in pruning your fruit trees. Till next time.